Hey people, this is Kapil Shigri, final year BMS student studying at BAMC Shumuga. As you can see, this is the floor that our classes are on, and that's principal chamber where you can see a lot of stand laying on the floor, which is because the college is under construction as always. But that's not the point of this video. This video is all about introducing you people to the clinical classes that we have in a week. For example, we had Akshitarpana and then suturing classes, and then we did Patrapinda Sveda along with Bhashpa Sveda in the same procedure. So I'll take you through all of these three procedures in a week. Hey, I'm definitely not gonna bore you people with all the technicalities that go under the procedures, but to simplify things, the first procedure is the Akshitarpana, wherein this procedure is done in a swastha person, that is a healthy person. So this comes under a Shalakya aka ophthalmology classes. So this is done in order to increase the capacity of the eyes, to increase the ability of the vision. Whereas the next thing is our Shalya class, that is also known as surgery, in which we were taught to how the simple procedures and the simple techniques to suture. We were taught three main suturing techniques. So here we are doing the things. And the pillowcase, I know we are supposed to use something else rather than pillows, but we should use the things that we have. So we use the pillows as subjects. And this is the class boys that were trying to suture, and actually we did pretty great because with the things that we are taught, we are really trying hard and our best to do. And the next thing was Patrapinda Sveda, in which we were supposed to prepare the portales for Svedana Karma. This comes under Panchakarma classes, Panchakarma class, especially in Svedana Karma. Actually, the lecturer mixed Patrapinda Sveda with Bhashpa Sveda, which are totally two different procedures, but it's also great because the patient that was there, he was supposed to get Bhashpa Sveda. Along with Bhashpa Sveda, he also got Patrapinda Sveda.
Good morning everyone. So today we are conducting Patra Potali Sveda. So these are the ingredients. So these are the Vatahara Patras which we have collected today. Here Eranda Patra is there, Nirgundi Patra is there, Shigru, Chincha, Arka, and along with these Patras we have collected this oil, Dhanvantara Taila, Rasnadi Chuna, Saindava, Haridra, coconut gratings and Nimbuka, chopped Nimbuka.
Any procedure is mainly divided into Purva Karma, Pradhana Karma and Paschat Karma. So here are our class boys and my friends who are doing Sarbanga Abhyanga so that the person can undergo Svedana later. And also thank you so much for 200+ subscribers on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing because it's for free, and if you have nothing to lose, also share it with your friends and family who you think it might help. And the other good news is the channel has reached 5,000 views. So thank you so much, and thank you universe. I'm really grateful for the things that are happening in my life right now. So thank you so much, and keep supporting like this, and I'll definitely bring out a lot more great content to YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great day.